Hello little learners, today we are going to learn about our amazing body parts. Our body have many parts and each part helps us to do different things. Are you ready to discover them with me? Let's get started. This is our head. Can you say with me? Head. Head. Can you spell with me? H-E-A-D. Great job! Our head is very important because it holds our face. This is our eyes. Can you say with me? Eyes. Eyes. Can you spell with me? E-Y-E-S. Eyes. We have eyes to see. This is our nose. Can you say with me? Nose. Nose. Can you spell with me? N-O-S-E. Great job! We have a nose to smell. This is our mouth. Can you say with me? Mouth. Mouth. Can you spell with me? M-O-U-T-H. Great job! We have a mouth to talk. This is our ears. Can you say with me ear? Ear. Great job! Can you spell with me? E-A-R. Ear. Great job! We have ears to hear. Great job! Now next we have lips. Can you say with me lips? Lips. L-I-P-S. Lips. Excellent! Now let's move on to our teeth. Can you say with me teeth? Teeth. Perfect. Let's spell it together. T-E-E-T-H. You are so genius. Our teeth help us to chew food. Look at these. What they are? Do you know? Eyebrows. Can you say with me eyebrows? E-Y-E-B-R-O-W-S. Awesome! Say with me eyebrows. Next we have our chin. Can you say with me chin? Chin. Excellent! Let's spell it together. C-H-I-N. Great job! This is our neck. Can you say with me neck? Neck. Great job! Let's spell it together. N-E-C-K. Awesome! Next we have tongue. Can you say with me tongue? Tongue. Spell with me. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Great job! Now let's say them all together. Say with me. Head. Eyes. Nose. Mouth. Ear. Lips. Teeth. Eyebrows. Chin. Great job! Now we are going to sing a fun song together. Are you ready? Let's all sing together.
My head is on top, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. My eyes help me see the rest, the rest, the rest. With my nose I smell so sweet, and my ears hear every beat. My head is on top, oh yes, oh yes. My eyebrows show surprise, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. And my mouth makes a smile somehow, somehow, somehow. With my teeth I love to chew, and my lips say I love you. My eyebrows show surprise, oh wow, oh wow. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. so sly, so sly, so sly. With my mouth I laugh and sing, making joy in everything. My neck holds it all up high, up high. My head, my eyes, my nose, my ears, my eyebrows, mouth and chin are here. With my teeth and lips I grin, and my neck is where it begins. My head, my eyes, my nose, my ears, my ears.
Next we have our arm. Can you say with me arm? Arm. A R M. Arm. Great job. This is our shoulder. Can you say with me shoulder? Shoulder. S H O U L D E R. Shoulder. This is our hand. Can you say with me hand? Hand. H A N D. Hand. These are fingers. Can you say with me fingers? Fingers. This is our thumb. Can you say with me thumb? Thumb. The thumb helps you pick up things. It is the shortest and strongest finger. This is our index finger. Can you say with me index finger? Index finger. This is our middle finger. Can you say with me middle finger? Middle finger. It is the longest finger. Now here is your ring finger. Can you say with me ring finger? Ring finger. The last one is your pinky finger. It is the smallest and cutest finger. Say with me pinky finger. These are the fingerprints. Do you know? Fingerprints are made up of tiny lines and ridges on your fingers. When you touch something, you leave a mark called a fingerprint.
Let me tell you about my hand. 5 fingers, oh so grand. First comes thumb, strong and neat. Helps us hold and helps us greet. Thumb, index, middle ring. Pinky too, they all can sing. 5 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With these friends we're so alive. Sharp and wise, points at things and helps us size. Middle finger, tall and true, stands up high, just like new. Thumb, index, little ring. Pinky too, they all can sing. 5 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With these friends, we're so alive. Shiny band for special times. It takes a stand. Last is pinky, tiny friend. Wiggles and dances. It's a blend. Thumb, index, middle ring. Pinky too, they all can sing. 5 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With these friends, we're so alive. So let's wave our hands and say 5 fingers help us every day. Thumb, index, middle ring, pinky too, they make us sing.
This is our belly button. Say with me, belly button. Belly button. Great job. This is the leg. Say with me, leg. You are so genius. This is our knee. Say with me. Knee. Great job. This is our foot. Say with me. Foot. Foot. This is our toe. Toe. You did an amazing job learning the body parts. You are so genius.